Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you all know, that I am in USA and I'm gonna take this opportunity and take you all around a tour of a very beautiful and a divine place which is based in Pennsylvania. If you are a true blue Guju, this place is like a must visit. In fact, if you are an Indian, if you want to go to a shrine, you can definitely come here. It's none other than the Braj. Yes, the Srinachi temple and the Yamuna Tat in Mathura that we all visit in India. So they've created this beautiful place, Braj, for all the Indians and the devotees to come and visit. So let's get into the video. It's 6:45 a.m. right now, and don't mind my voice because this is not gonna stop me. I've got cold because it's drizzling showers and it's pretty cold, so I'm not gonna miss this opportunity. But I shall take you around. So let me show you a few things. We've woken up early and we've got ready. We are going for a Mangala Darshan, which happens at 7:30, but before that at 7:15, 7:05 there is Yamuna Aarti. So I'm just waiting for Krunal to come out and then we'll walk towards the shrine, the temple. Let me show you where we are staying. We are staying at the Gusaiji cottage, and I'll just give you a small tour of how it is. So that's our cottage. That's another one. It's, I think, Krishna Kutir. So basically these cottages are from the old building. That's the canteen or the dining hall where the breakfast, lunch, prasad and dinner is served. This is the way to the temple. Such a beautiful way, lovely place. Only thing is that it's drizzling. That's the back road we entered from. This is the old building, but since it's raining, we chose to enter from this way. That's a big dining hall where we all eat. There is another one as well. But when there are a lot of people, especially on weekends, over 1,000 people come here to visit. This is where we generally eat. Go straight, and it will lead you to the temple entrance. The lights are off right now. And we've reached the shoe stand. So there's another one at the main entrance as well. This one is the old entrance. That's the model of temple. This is the way we came from, and after that we need to take a right. This is the board which leads you to the temple. I'll also show you around to, this is the main entrance, so you can just come and take a left. And then there are staircases. The temple is on the first floor. I may not be able to record the video over there, but yes, see you after the darshan. That's the temple, but I'm not allowed to shoot here. So, and outside the temple there is this balcony which gives you a darshan of Yamune Maharani Mataji. That's the Yamuna river. And if you can see, I'll try and zoom a little bit. That's the Yamune Maharani's temple. And behind that, the cottage that you can see there, if you can see where my finger is pointing, okay, that one. There is yeah, so that one. So there is a small venue, a hall over there. There are a couple of, in fact, venues over there, banquets. where you can hold a marriage function or any other sort of function that you wish to. In fact, yesterday there was a wedding here, and I think what better place than this to get married at. These are supposedly the new buildings where for residents, for stay. Apparently the old ones are also not that old, so it's quite beautiful. And right opposite the temple, the Nandalaya, is this walkway which goes to Girirajji. So after visiting the temple, in between, when you have time, like between two darshan, you can come here and do the parikrama. And if you want to do any Nyochavar or any puja of Girirajji, like there is a Mukharvind over there, the one over there. So अगर आपको कुछ पूजा करनी है या दूध घर का भेंट चढ़ानी है तो they charge you a minimum of $21 and then you can do the दूध घर puja. So that's Srinathji temple upar. And that's the parikrama you can do. Usually you're not allowed to wear shoes and do the parikrama, but since it's rainy today you can. And this is the reti they've actually got from India, from Mathura, the Raman reti. It's an old saying, they say you can, take the stones and put it like above each other so that your wishes can come true, especially related to house. This they say you can build a house and pray to God so that you can have your own. So now let me tell you a few facts about this temple. So this Girirajji Parvat, जिसके आगे हम खड़े हैं. So all the sand that you can see is basically they've got it from Mathura, Raman Reti. The thing that we do in Mathura, they've got it from there. The Yamuna Mandir that I showed you all. So the water in that lake, they actually get it transported from India Himalaya ranges, and they also have a Yamuna Bachao campaign going on, because apparently the Yamuna water that they get from India is mostly used by Indians and it's mostly consumed in Delhi. So they are not able to get much water right now. So they've requested a Yamuna Bachao campaign so that they can get good and clear water for the Yamuna lake, and we can actually literally pray to the Yamuna water in USA. Besides that, the Srinathji temple that we go and visit is being done by the actual temple of Srinathji, the Mukhiaji of Srinathji has done the Sthapna here as well. So in and all, if I would like to say that this is a combination of Srinathji and Mathura both. So what better thing that you can get in USA, like पूरी एक जात्रा आपको एक ही में combine करके मिलती है. That's it guys, that was my day at Vraj. I hope you guys enjoy too.